Hey guys, so we're back with another episode of George's Garage. I've started just kind of clearing out the inside here. Got the rear seats out and started taking up the carpet. You know, it's a bit more scraping and getting it out because I've got to get these seats out with them being electric. Obviously we've cut through so many wires. I don't really want to attach a battery, you know, straight in. Don't know what will happen. So basically, I've got to crawl underneath and attach power directly into the motors, and with them in their lowest position. I don't fancy crawling through that type of mess, so carpets and everything can come out and give me more space for getting underneath without dying of mold, basically. So I've still been going around the car, just getting out things like, got most of the front carpet out, bar the bits that are like just stuck, that they'll come out when the floor's cut out anyway. But I was just going around undoing some of the wiring, you know, got to come out. The back here, took the rear light out. Found this blue, which may be the original colour. Because if I go, don't know if you can see that on camera, but with a bit of scraping, focus, the blue continues upwards, so the car may have originally been this blue colour instead of the silver that it is now. So, just a little bit of interesting find. So, I've got the gas can out of the trunk of the car. Now, for those of you who are watching JR Go's version, the American ones have the gas cap across the back. The British ones have it in the floor here. That's why he has the storage space there and we don't, but we get the longer trunk. So, it's a big old thing.
It kills me not to know.
So that's the rear diff free from the car. I've just got to work on getting the cross member out from back here. So I ended up using the hoist attached to a big iron bar just in case, you know, stuff goes wrong, because it's pretty high up on the jacks in here, if you can see. So feel a bit safe with the bar just in case. But got the rear diff lowered down. It's a big old thing in there. Then we just got to drop the rest of the rear down and get it all out, and then I think we're on to just get the last bits of the interior and start cutting the floor out. So I think I'm going to end this episode here. I've been fighting with it, and I know it's been a few days since the last video, so I thought I should upload something now, and then in a few days when I finish getting the rest of the rear out, I can show you again. Because at the moment, I don't know how well you can see, but we have the rear cross member supported by a block, and on the other side the jack, and then the rear end should be down, but I need a hand just holding the other side as I undo it, so I gotta wait for that one. The size of the diff, it's not a small one in there. And got the prop shaft out. It's just one big solid piece. But I think that's about it for now. So if you enjoyed the video, if you can like and subscribe, it really helps me out, and hopefully get more content out for you guys.